Hello, Mr. Geislart here, and we're going to take a look at number 9 on homework number 4 in Unit 2, which is the first area problem, and we need to find the area and perimeter of this figure. Okay, let's start with the perimeter. So the first thing I have to do is find the missing sides. Some of them we know right away just because of the diagram. Like I know that one's 7. If I want to find the distance from there to there, which will be part of the perimeter, all I have to do is do 39 minus 14. Now, I'm subtracting 14 because I have to subtract this part here and subtract this part here from the entire length of the side, which is right there. When you do that, you get 25. So the length of this side up here is 25. The next thing I need to do is find the length of the side not given over here, which is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. And since these two right triangles are congruent, I need to find the other hypotenuse. Well, they're just going to be the same. So I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we have a squared plus b squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So this ends up being 833 is equal to x squared. Do the square root of both sides, and I get that x is equal to 28.86. So that's going to be this one here, and that's going to be this one here. So now what I need to do is find the perimeter. To do that, I just have to add up all the sides. It's that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and that one. And when you add all those together, that's going to give you a perimeter of 191.72. Now, your numbers are going to be different than mine, so you have to make sure that you use your numbers instead of mine when you're doing this. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take a look at the area. To find the area, all I need to do is find the area of this rectangle here, and then find the area of the two triangles, and then add them all together. Again, these two triangles are congruent, so I just need to find the area once and then double it. So let's start with the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Since this is a right triangle, it's going to be 28 times 7 divided by 2, and when you do that, you end up with 98. So this one's 98 and this one's 98. To find the area of the rectangle, I'm just going to do 7 times 39, which is 273. Now all I have to do is add those three numbers together, and when I do that, I get 469. And that's how you find the perimeter and area of this figure.